So did you know there's people making 4, 5, and even 6 figures per month with AI influencers?
That's how much I made this month in September. Almost $19,000 with a new model I created exactly a month ago.
Now, most people think that the AI influencer wave is over or that it's way too technical for them to get started, but this is where they're completely wrong. While most people struggle with fake-looking AI influencers, clever side hustlers have figured out how to create ultra-realistic AI influencers and grow their following rapidly. So guys, I decided to investigate the side hustle space to find out exactly how the top side hustlers are making bank with AI influencers right now. And that's why in today's video, I'll show you the exact workflow you can use to create realistic AI influencers fast and to get paid step by step. This includes the exact system to build, scale, and monetize professional AI influencers using MySnapFace and FanView without showing your face and without wasting money on complicated software. This is definitely a niche side hustle, but a super interesting one. There's lots of secret sauce in this one. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So guys, I'll cut right to the chase here and share the tool I'm going to be using in today's video to show you how this AI influencer workflow breaks down. Right now, the platform that top AI influencer managers are using to generate their influencers is called MySnapFace. And you can head to mysnapface.com, which I'll be linking down below in the description box for you guys to check out. And they're the sponsor of today's video. And so I chatted with their team to learn exactly how their software works, how AI influencer managers are using it, and everything you guys need to know. But yeah, creating an account with MySnapFace is super simple. You just head to the website and you can create your account with your Gmail address within the next 30 seconds. But let me hop into my dashboard and I'll show you guys how this workflow actually works because it's honestly insane and it is something anyone can do. So once you're logged into MySnapFace, there's 2 ways you can get started with building your first AI influencer. And the first method is to create a real character. And this is really ideal if you already have an influencer and some content out there because you just upload around 20 photos to MySnapFace and its AI model will then create a new model for you based on these images. Now, the second method is to create a virtual character. And this is ideal for anyone who wants to build an AI influencer completely from scratch, and it's great for beginners who don't have existing content. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to start by creating my own virtual AI influencer because I figure this is mostly what you guys are interested in. And again, the workflow is so simple. All of this kicks off by creating an image for my new AI influencer, and this is super quick to do. MySnapFace basically takes you through a quick workflow where you enter things like the ethnicity, age range, hair color and style, and even the body type of your new AI influencer. You can then enter custom prompts to give more uniqueness to your AI influencer, which I definitely suggest doing. For this example, I'm going to say give freckles and blue eyes, but again, you can be much more specific here. Now, once you complete these short steps, MySnapFace basically generates a bunch of different variations of the AI influencer, and you can pick your favorite one to get started, and this all just takes a couple of minutes. And guys, this is the entire initial setup, and now you basically have the base for your AI influencer business, and it's time to start generating unique content you can post online to grow your new AI influencer's following. And so really the first step here is to create more images for your AI influencer that we can start posting on platforms like Instagram to build a following. And again, guys, this step is super simple. To do this, you just choose your AI character to get started. MySnapFace has a bunch of pre-existing ones, but we're going to use the brand new AI influencer we just made. Next, choose an image from the photo pack to serve as a reference image. This basically helps MySnapFace create a new image with your AI model that's similar to the photo you're providing. And this part is really great, and I want to highlight it because the photo pack has a bunch of existing images and styles that are proven to go viral on social media, which is exactly the kind of content we want to make for our own influencer. Now, I'm going to pick this posing one in the kitchen for this example, but you can see there are so many options in the photo pack. You then pick your image dimension and the number of images you want to create as well, which is great for batch creating content. And you can also add custom prompts here to give MySnapFace even more direction for what you want. Now again, this just takes a couple of minutes to generate, and then you'll have your first batch of content for your new AI influencer that you can start posting on social media. I'll show you guys what it came out with, and honestly, this is insane because again, all of this took a couple of minutes and some simple prompting to do. That's it. And guys, this really is the perfect way to start a new Instagram account. And again, you don't need to rely on humans. You don't have to find an influencer out there and be a manager for them. You can do this all yourself. What I also like is that MySnapFace has a tool where you can create carousel images as well. And this is even more powerful because you can basically create a series of images with different angles and poses, but you keep the same location, lighting, and outfit. Again, I'll show you guys an example of the carousel feature here, and again, you can see how powerful this is for generating a ton of content for your new AI influencer. But if you think the image generation stuff is cool, wait until you see how MySnapFace handles video. So of course, MySnapFace also lets you create viral videos for your new AI influencer, which is really important because these days algorithms typically favor video content and short form content, so we really want to create some of this to grow our following. And one feature I really like is that MySnapFace lets you clone existing viral TikTok and Instagram videos with your AI influencer, which again helps you post content that actually gets views and followers. You just need to switch the mode to clone video and then click on choose from trending and pick a trending video style to use. MySnapFace once again has a catalog that's full of viral dances, poses, and other content that performs well on social media. You can choose the style you want, hit generate, and MySnapFace will create a video for you in the next minute or two. Again, it's just as simple as the image creation workflow, and let me show you guys what MySnapFace made for my own AI influencer. You guys can see this video is pretty decent, and if you've scrolled through social media, you've probably seen videos like this one pop up in your feed sometime, which again is because these are all viral content formats that are proven to do well time and time again. Again, this blows my mind because you can do this all in a couple of minutes just with basic prompting, so this is an incredibly simple workflow you can follow. But if you want to make the entire workflow even faster, you can actually download the MySnapFace Chrome extension, and let me show you guys how this works really quickly before I talk about some exciting monetization options. So the MySnapFace Chrome extension lets you clone and imitate any picture you see online on MySnapFace. You can basically use this extension when you're scrolling through Instagram, Pinterest, or Google Images. If you see a viral photo, just use the extension to copy the format and create that content for your own AI influencer. This is literally as simple as seeing an image online you like, clicking a button, and then MySnapFace will recreate this photo just with your AI influencer. So again, you can get new content really quickly and post it online to grow your following. But anyways, guys, that's kind of the entire MySnapFace workflow in a nutshell that you can use to create images, carousel posts, viral videos for your AI influencer. However, the platform is packed with tons of other useful features, so I want to highlight a couple of them really quickly that you should also be using, and then I'll talk about some monetization options. And the first feature I wanted to mention is MySnapFace's upscaling feature. And guys, if you want to make content that looks ultra realistic and doesn't look like AI slop, then you need to be using this kind of feature. MySnapFace's upscaling feature basically helps you take images and content you create and adds more lifelike skin textures and facial details while upscaling the overall content. There's also an enhanced realism option you can select that really creates that lifelike look and feel that you want when you're posting content. Again, social media is competitive. You don't want to be posting AI slop because that's honestly just a waste of time. So I love that MySnapFace has these kinds of features as well. But okay guys, now that you're starting to create content and you're posting it online and you're building up a following for your AI influencer, you might be wondering, how do you start making money? And really there are a few different routes you can take here that I'm going to cover in the next part of this tutorial. But really first, the key is that actual audience building component. This is also why I think using a tool and workflow like MySnapFace is so important. Consistency is really the key in building any kind of social media following. It doesn't matter if it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You need to be posting content every day and every week so you actually build a following. And again, you can scroll through social media and find tons of examples of AI influencer pages with tens or even hundreds of thousands of followers. But again, they post content and a variety of content consistently. I mean, just take a look at this one Instagram page I found as an example. This is Aitana Lopez, who's an Instagram fitness model and influencer with over 390,000 followers. Except here's the thing, Aitana is 100% AI generated, but you can still see that she's built an impressive following on this page by consistently posting lifestyle content that honestly makes her look like a real person and celebrity. If you just post a photo or two from MySnapFace and you hope to go viral, you'll probably be disappointed. But again, the idea here is to create content consistently and work on building your audience over time. You really do need to treat this like building a real fan base in a real business, but once you start getting some traction, a lot of monetization opportunities open up, which I'll cover right now. And so really guys, one of the first ways people are monetizing this new wave of AI influencers is by selling subscriptions, premium content, and gated content on platforms like FanView. And FanView is really the leading AI-friendly creator platform where people can actually grow a fan base of loyal supporters, and it's perfect for this kind of AI influencer content. Signing up for FanView is also 100% free, and when you sign up, there's actually an option to join as an AI content creator. So again, FanView is AI-friendly, they're not going to ban you. This is one of the only platforms that actually lets this kind of thing happen. From there, you can set up your account by creating a profile photo, bio, and then by posting some of your premium content that's locked behind a subscription paywall. This is honestly just like posting content to Instagram or to social media in general, so you can realistically have your FanView account up and running and start posting content there in the next 10 minutes. The revenue potential is also pretty impressive, especially once you build up a catalog of premium content and you start getting your first subscribers. For example, I found a story about this guy named Dorian who monetizes fan view using MySnapFace with the exact workflow I just shared, and let me show you guys a video clip from him because his results are insane. As you can see, Dorian has made over $18,000 with this single model account, which is absolutely insane. What's also really fascinating is that most of this income comes from chatting, and then he also gets money from posting premium content to his timeline on FanView. What I found surprising is that he's even made over $700 just through tips, so you can tell he's actually getting some pretty loyal, dedicated fans to this FanView account. This just goes to show what's possible with this kind of AI workflow, and again, this is what tons of AI influencers are using to monetize, including Aitana Lopez, who I shared earlier. You can see here that Aitana posts premium photos and videos that you can subscribe to in order to unlock. You can also chat with Aitana on FanView, and FanView even lets you create automated welcome messages and chat sequences that engage new fans. This again keeps the workflow super simple since you don't have to be at your computer 24/7 actually chatting with people. Again, all of this is super streamlined and largely automated these days, and FanView is really the AI creator first platform that people are using for this side hustle. Also, if you're curious how this monetization strategy works and you want to dive deeper and learn how to maximize MySnapFace's value, then there's something pretty exciting going on that you'll want to check out. You can actually join MySnapFace's private Discord to learn how to monetize this kind of content and scale your following quickly. You just have to click on the community tab in MySnapFace and then you can access the Discord. There's even a free masterclass inside that covers the entire blueprint, step-by-step how you get started with this, so you guys should definitely check this out if you're serious about making money with MySnapFace and AI influencers. Now that's the FanView monetization side of things, but honestly there are so many other creative ways that AI influencers are making money these days, so I want to highlight some of the other areas of opportunity. And one that honestly surprised me is that AI influencers are actually starting to land brand deals. And once again, we can check out Aitana's account for a prime example. I mean, she's making money right now with brand sponsorships, including some massive ones like Razer's gaming chairs. And this is just the brand sponsorship side of things, but you can also start exploring affiliate marketing for even more opportunities to monetize your audience. I mean, Aitana even has an Amazon influencer storefront, so people can shop for the products she promotes in her content. When they make a purchase, Aitana's creator gets a nice commission check. And honestly, I think affiliate marketing is one of the bigger opportunities here because the content you're creating with MySnapFace, it is lifestyle content. It's very easy for you to introduce products into it or to kind of just have that look and feel that people are used to from influencers that just lends itself well to affiliate marketing in general. Overall, there are really so many strategies you can use here and you can get creative. I mean, I've seen AI influencers making money with YouTube channels, ones with AI podcasts. I've seen one selling digital downloads and different products. There are so many opportunities out there. But again, guys, all of this boils back down to consistency. You want to create a ton of content with MySnapFace, you want to post it consistently, and you want to build that following over time. But anyways, guys, that does it for the entire workflow, start to finish, for how you can create exciting content with MySnapFace, post it on social media, and monetize the audience you start building. Now again, like I've mentioned a couple of times in this video, results aren't guaranteed, this won't happen overnight, and consistency is the name of the game here. The key to growing any kind of online audience is creating valuable content and doing so for a long period of time. But that's again why I like the MySnapFace workflow, because it's very easy to do and it is something realistic that people can do consistently. Like I mentioned, I'll also be linking MySnapFace down below, so thanks again to their team for sponsoring today's video. I think you guys will like using them, especially if you're interested in this kind of AI side hustle, because this is one of the easiest workflows I've found. Like I also mentioned, be sure to check out the Discord and that masterclass they're running as well. It really does help break down the steps here you'll want to follow to make money with AI influencers. I hope you have enjoyed. I know it's a bit of a niche side hustle, but I honestly think it's pretty cool, and I hope it helps you guys out. That does it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.